Just want to send a shout out to all the veterans, particularly the Garifuna veterans, on this Memorial Day weekend, and as well as honoring you for Memorial Day, and particularly our Garifuna brothers and sisters who have served for this country. We honor you.
And we honor those who made the ultimate sacrifice by giving up their lives to defend the others in this country.
Yes. Today we honor you. Thank you for your service.
Thank you.
Sereming.
Hello, Hunsun Garinagu, who gets to view this video. I am Army retired Captain Stacy Colon Porter, Garifuna-American, born in the Bronx, New York, to Garifuna parents from the country of Honduras. What an honor it is for me to be able to do this tribute for the Garifuna-American Heritage Foundation, where we get to honor our fallen brothers and sisters who served in the military. Those that we may have served alongside with them, and those who set the pathway for some of us to serve. What an honor it is to do that. For those of us who have already completed the journey and we're out and retired, and those who continue to serve, I want to say thank you for continuing to move forward with the legacy of having Garifunas serving in this military. Continue to do what it is that you do to serve our country, and serve where you are planted. That's my motto always, serve where you are planted. Captain retired Stacy Colon Porter, out. Hoa.
Hey, good morning. My name is Gunner Sergeant Wilfredo Ballestero. I'm stationed in Okinawa, Japan. I've been in the Marine Corps for about 14 years, and I just wanted to wish every Garifuna brothers and sisters happy Memorial Day, past and present. I know it's a very emotional day for me, but happy Memorial Day to all my Garinagus. Honsun Garinagu, Trujillo Colon, you heard? Peace.
Wasit na ho sungriya ishu be habagari lu meriga lo moral dele aule Maurice wasit na lo nishu be sereme u sunanyu afabu u ishu be habagari lu meriga wasit na ge lu nenguna na la au awado me hama yetege Gunat na ho sung grigia, ho sung garino, ho alpha wo, boomerang. Anahaya lo daifa wa bagari, radio station, ya dangriga. Awadu meni, katele na frenebe hamage, lurudo, hamage sudara ge nugi, sudara ge au. Gunat da lao sung katele hadugbe. Ayo.
Hello everyone, my name is Senior Chief Petty Fernandez, and I'm stationed here at ATG Pearl Harbor in Hawaii. I want to salute all my Garifuna Service Members and want to say happy Memorial Day weekend. Thank you for your great service to this great nation. I really appreciate it. Thank you.
Greetings to all my Garifuna warriors throughout the world. I am Marine Gunnery Sergeant Richard W. Garcia Jr., retired, Garifuna-American, born in Brooklyn, New York, to Garifuna parents from Belize. It is my esteemed honor and privilege to be a part of this tribute, sponsored by the Garifuna-American Heritage Foundation, in honor of everyone that have served, to the ones that are currently serving, and to remember the ones that have fallen. The Garifuna community has a very small footprint in the U.S. military. That said, I am honored to have had the privilege to be a part of this elite group. Meeting other Garifuna warriors like myself while serving and even now retired makes my contribution as a Garifuna man to the U.S. military much more special. Warriors, as the Memorial Day approaches, let's take this opportunity not just to remember the fallen, but to honor their memory. I am Gunnery Sergeant Richard W. Garcia Jr., United States Marine Corps retired. Semper Fidelis.
Garinagu. I am U.S. Army retired Chief Warrant Officer for Janice Jupiter. It is an honor for me to salute you all this Memorial Day. I notably want to salute my father, Joseph Rodney Flores, for the sacrifice, the ultimate sacrifice that he has made in order to pave the way for me to continue to serve and retire from the U.S. Army after 24 plus years. Sharing a picture of Joseph Rodney Flores Jr. I'm honored to salute each and every one of you that continue to serve. Thank you for your service. Let's not forget all of those brothers and sisters, Sun Garinagu, who have paved the way for all of us to have a better life. I salute you.
Nugiale, Staff Sergeant retired, Annette Parshu. Band inepese home, wabiwe ha, on gubelida wiribu. Siarati, wabule deni, ibegile, hafari be lulibiroma. Much respect to our fallen comrades. We cannot forget the price you paid for our freedom. We also thank you, family members. Big shout out to my nephew, Ermito Angel Arana, and to those serving on the front lines. Thank you.
This is Andrew Parish Andudu Parchu. To all service members who have lost their lives in service to our country. To all the families who have lost family members in wars. Special shout out to all the soldiers who are in service today.